Hey, Mike Tobley here, Security Home Mortgage. I don't often talk about products that we offer, but this one is new and it is different and it's pretty cool, so I wanted to share it here today. It is a renovation loan. This renovation loan is different than other renovation loans that we have previously had access to because it only requires a 3% or 5% down payment. Most renovation loans, you've got to have some decent money, up to 15% down payments to make them work. So this one's pretty cool in that regard. A couple of features of it. It can be used for a purchase, a refinance, or a cash out refinance. The idea here is that if you've got a space in your house, if you look down here, what can it be used for? Kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels. You could use it to recarpet the house. You can use it to finish a basement. You could even potentially use it to build a separate structure in your backyard that is an accessory dwelling unit. The kicker or the clincher here on this is that once you complete all the repairs, the house has to appraise for the right amount of money. If the repairs don't change the value of the house, it probably won't work. But if they do increase the value of the house, then we can loan on that new value that it would increase it to. To give you a quick example, let's say it's a $350,000 purchase price. The cost of the renovation is $50,000, 10% reserve requirement on that, which is about $5,000. So we would need the house to appraise for $405,000. As long as it does, you're going to bring in, let's say it's a 5% down payment. Some people qualify for 3%, but it's a 5% down payment. To buy this house, this fixer-upper house, you're going to need about $20,000 in down payment to make it work. And as long as everything works out that way, you can buy a house that's a fixer-upper, fix it up. We'll do a final appraisal when it's all done just to make sure all the repairs look good. And now you've got a nice upgraded house that you bought for a little less money than market value, and now it's worth more. So there's a lot more details to this and things that we need to understand, and I'm happy to share any of that with you. Too much info for this little video, so give me a call, 801-427-1722. Love to chat with you about what we can do.